Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today we're going to do a quick comparison review between these two beauties. This is the Arno Bernard Marmoset, and this is the Arno Bernard Bateleur. Both beautiful pieces. I got them at thunderbirdgear.ca. In Canada, it's your source for these kind of knives because you can't get anywhere else. So beautiful service and great knives. These are two fixed blades. The Bateleur right over here, sorry, this guy, it's a 6.77 inch fixed blade, beautifully done in South Africa. The Marmoset over here is a little bit shorter at 6.34 inches. The blade side of this guy is 2.87 and the Bateleur is going to be 3.15. In fact, you can see just a little bit shorter than this guy. They're both, drop point blades made out of N690 steel with a pretty sweet mirror polish finish. Look at that. This is super cool, extremely shiny. They both have, very slight hollow grind. The difference between these two guys is that this has a warthog tusk set of handles, whereas this guy has some giraffe bone handles. Just beautiful, just gorgeous right over here. They're both available in different finishes, like you can get them in carbon fiber, G10, sheep horn, various natural material. But I just prefer these two over here. The handle finish, as you can see, has a pretty cool polish going on, and they both have these like milled grooves in a sun rays kind of pattern. The weight for both of these guys is 2 ounces, and because the Marmoset over here has a little bit thicker scales, and probably because the tusk of the warthog is a little bit more dense than the giraffe bone. There's no sound, of course, because these are fixed blades. The price, depends on the handle finish you're gonna choose. It can go from $200 to $300. Both are gonna have a pretty nice grip. They're kind of like small knives, of course, but probably the Marmoset has the better grip because of this nice finger choil, very nicely contoured. There's also the finger choil over here going on in the Bateleur, but just a little bit less comfortable, I would say. Fit and finish of these two guys is just spot on. It's like fantastic. Just look at the look at this. Just look. I mean, it's perfect. It's beautifully rounded off. The grooves are great. They're gonna give you some nice and grippy feel to it. You can disassemble, because they're gonna use T-screws. So these are not pins. So it's a beautiful thing. You can disassemble, clean it up, maintain fully great. They both have a lanyard hole with a kangaroo leather braided lanyard, and they both are featuring like a bead in the same material of the handle. So very nice little touch. They're both made in South Africa, and they both come with this pretty cool bovine leather sheath. In fact, for example, you can see how it works, because this is like a snap retention mechanism with this lanyard hole. You just snap it there and you close it like this, so you don't risk, for the knife to fall off of the sheath. So very nice and ingenious mechanism overall. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.